foreign injustice. I'm miles away from mother's breast. She's in the Milky East, I'm in the West. Constantly seeking directions to mother's arms. I need her protection from the stranger's arms. There have been fire and lashes from which that's why your child's back is armed. In the stranger's land, there are no welcoming arms. I've been endlessly abused and put to work on their farm. They forced me to toil a soil that I'm not from. They flogged away the memory of the land that I am from. I was discreetly colonized, made into an outcast citizen, a slave to lighten their burden, and then they created an image of a God so that they may be forgiven. I was Christianized. They stole my religion and gave me psalms. I was brainwashed by the deceitful Europeans. The white man, they ordered me to cultivate. They dirtied my hands and shackled my feet. My sweat bought them food and sandals for their feet. I had to fulfill their needs whenever they necessitated. They demanded that I be civilized. Whenever I acted natural, I was brutalized. Inherently, man wants to be free. So I ran, and they severed my feet, making me a cripple in their land, while they stand lofty 1,000 feet, looking down at the warrior from the African fleet. But they will one day find themselves beneath an African's feet. Lift up.